Hey, thanks for jumping in today. I want to take a few minutes and show you Alarm.com and why I love this app so much. What is Alarm.com? Well, come on over, let me show you. So I put my phone up on the TV. This is my home alarm. And Alarm.com is the app that controls your alarm system. If I were to touch this, I can put my system on stay or away right from my phone. I can look at all of my doors, my front door. I can look at my garage doors. I can touch it and open my garage door all from the app. Some unique things about Alarm.com, which I love, you slide from the right and you can see all of your recent history. You can see who opened and closed what door, what motion, and at what time. Pretty neat. And then if you slide from the left, you can go check out your video recordings. I can control my irrigation. If I've integrated any lights, I can look at reports. Alarm.com is brilliant. Down here you've got your thermostats. I can change thermostats from the touch of a button. This is for home and business. It's all controlled from your phone, and this is Alarm.com.